the Paarl. Hello, my name is Shannon Patterson, and this is a video about the meaning behind the word or the YouTube channel, the Paarl. Well, in 2020, I was inspired to listen to more audiobooks, and one of the audiobooks that I gravitated towards the most was A Challenge to Succeed by Jim Rohn. And recently, again, now in 2021, I have been currently listening to this audiobook quite frequently again. And I was recently recommended by one of my cousins to actually start my own YouTube channel. So was thinking of names, and one morning while I was going to work, I was actually listening to the Challenge to Succeed audiobook by Jim Rohn. And when I was there, I was writing out the five pieces of the life puzzle, because the basis of Jim Rohn's audiobook is about the five pieces of the life puzzle. So for me, I sat there at work in the morning and I wrote down the five pieces of the life puzzle and came up with the acronym, the Paarl. So one night while thinking about a name I could give to the YouTube channel, I I actually thought about this and I discussed it with a few of my friends and cousins, and they liked the name, and so I just went with it. So therefore, the name of the YouTube channel is the Paarl, and throughout throughout the channel, I will be referencing to Jim Rohn a lot because I do admire him and I do love listening to his audiobook. He has some very good points, and I will also explain in detail what are the five pieces of the life puzzle. So basically, the P stands for philosophy, the A stands for the attitude, and the second A stands for the activity, and the R stands for the results, while the N stands for the lifestyle. Because you need a proper philosophy, right, to go forward. And your philosophy is based on your education, the knowledge that you have gained from experiences, people, you know, and then it is what you do with that education that helps to shape your attitude and the activities that you will do based on your attitude. If your attitude is positive, then you will do positive actions, especially to grow and get the success that you are looking or aiming towards. And then with positive or effective actions, then you can gain results that you really want to achieve. And from the proper results, you can live whatever lifestyle you want. So basically, this YouTube channel will be about how my philosophy develops based on my education, because education never stops. It's a lifelong process. And how my education and my experiences will shape my attitude and the actions that I take or do along the way or throughout the course of my life. And how the results are formulating, and the lifestyle I create for myself based on the other things I just said. So this will be the YouTube channel for the Paarl, and these things will come out in various aspects, such as through my friends and family, my life here in Japan, from exercise, from socializing, different things. So just look forward to seeing the contents and whatever I bring forward to you. So I do hope you enjoy the videos that will be coming along the way, and just see progress, because my aim at the end of the day is to succeed. But along the way at trying to be successful, there will be challenges. So yeah, sometimes you will see some videos of me going through my challenges. I may not want to cry on here, but Yeah. So basically, this is the introduction to the Paarl. All right. So just please enjoy the videos. Enjoy the videos. Give your feedback and talk about how your philosophy and just your attitude and action and your results and your lifestyle, because I am willing to hear from you as well. Okay. Thank you.